Hello there, creative superstars. Welcome back to our series on mastering Trello. Today, we're diving in deep with Trello Lists, the powerhouse behind your project organization. Stay tuned because I'm going to be introducing you to your master content calendar, a game changer for your planning needs. So let's get started. Lists in Trello are where your tasks and ideas find their home. They're flexible, easy to use, and crucial for keeping your workflow clear and moving forward. Setting up your list is simple. Click Add Another List and give it a name that reflects the stage of your project. For content creators, you might have lists like Idea Pool, Script Writing, Filming, Editing, and Ready to Publish. Each list represents a phase in your creative process. The beauty of Trello's lists is their flexibility. You can add, rename, delete lists as needed to fit your project's evolving needs. And here's where your master content calendar comes in. It's a perfect companion to organize your overall content strategy seamlessly. Speaking of which, let me introduce you to your master content calendar. This tool goes beyond Trello boards by offering a comprehensive view of your content schedule, milestones, and deadlines. It's designed to streamline your planning process, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. One of Trello's coolest features is the ability to drag and drop cards between lists. This helps you visually track the process of your tasks as they move from the idea pool to ready to publish, seamlessly integrating with tools like your master content planner for a holistic content management approach. And there you have it. Trello's list sets you up for perfection. Your master content calendar keeps your projects organized and efficient. Ready to take your content creation to the next level? Click the link in the description below to learn more and grab your own master content calendar today. In our next video, we'll explore collaboration tips using Trello. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Trello insights, and share your setup ideas in the comments below. Until next time, keep organizing and let those creative juices flow.